So, my channel viewers, good evening. So, I have finished planting these chandni plants, pinwheel plants. Pinwheel. These I moved from that area to here, and these divaricata palm plants planted over here. Due to too much of sunlight, I put this plant over there, divaricata plant. And these chandni plants, pinwheel plants, were requiring sunlight, means sunlight of at least 11 for their growth. So I have planted this here, those here areca plants, and some few changes which were growing. I have planted these crouton plants over here, means before, and now in this size they were. Here I have to make some changes over here also. One side I made, they were in this size, small size. Now they have become at least this big, and they are growing in this rainy season. Look at their colors, they are looking good, isn't it? See, nicely. One extra areca plant was remaining, I forgot to plant over there, so I put it over here. And one more crouton plant. There are two crouton plants, one long leaf and one round shaped. I'll show you. One is growing over here. This was also small. This has grown very big now. I have to remove this from here to there. That will look good afterwards. And this is also same crouton plant. Here I have to remove this because that and this is same here. But I don't know why this is green, remaining green. I don't know because of what it is. So I will remove that and put it over there, so as to look same on both the side of the areca plant. So I'll go to my work now for gardening. In one more plant I'll put it on this pot. Here this. Or I'll leave it here only. Let's see what happens. I'll make a video on this afterwards. Okay, see you soon.